And the relationship between one-time comrades against corruption, Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal, has hit an all-time low, with the former accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of misusing his name in their Delhi poll campaign and questioning whether funds raised for their India Against Corruption campaign were being used by the Aam Aadmi Party for their Delhi election debut. Anna Hazare, the 76-year-old activist, today said that his former protege is not an enemy, but he refuses to back Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party or campaign for it.
जितना पैसा था वो सारा पैसा खत्म हो गया था। फिर मेरा मैग्सेसे अवार्ड का जो 23-24 लाख की एफडी करा रखी थी मैंने पीसीआरएफ में, वो भी सारी खत्म हो गई थी। अगर एक भी पैसा इधर से उधर हुआ है, मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा दिल्ली का।
Arvind Kejriwal today denying his guru Anna Hazare's charge in a strongly worded letter that funds raised for their India Against Corruption campaign were being used for the Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi poll campaign. Speaking to NDTV, Kejriwal said he was not being allowed to explain the facts to Anna by intermediaries.
Yeah, actually I don't know why they are not letting me speak to Anna. I keep calling him, his PA never puts me in touch and Anna doesn't keep phone.
But after Kejriwal sent a representative with a letter containing a detailed response to his questions, Anna seems to have softened somewhat, though he continues to raise doubts about his name being misused by the AAP to raise funds for its poll campaign.
मेरे नाम का दुरुपयोग हो रहा है, ऐसा मुझे संदेह है, इसलिए मुझे जवाब भेजना कि सच क्या है।
In his letter to Anna, Kejriwal gave details about the donations to the India Against Corruption campaign. India Against Corruption had a total of 54 lakhs in the corpus already, and they managed to get donations during Jan Lokpal which totaled to over 3 crores. But at the end of the movement, only 14 lakhs remained. Most of the money was used up in awareness campaign and on travel expenses. The Aam Aadmi Party's campaign funds are already being probed by the Home Ministry. And with Anna now raising questions, many say there may be no going back in the Arvind-Anna relationship.
कुछ लोग लगातार ऐसी कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो यहाँ से पोस्टर छपवा के भिजवाते हैं कि हम लोग उनका नाम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, जो उनको बताते हैं जाकर और उनके चारों तरफ के लोगों को भी बांध के रखते हैं ताकि संवाद ना हो सके, लेकिन वो लोग कामयाब नहीं होंगे।
Insiders say a careful strategy is being followed by the Aam Aadmi Party. Efforts are on to reason with Anna and not get into any public spat, since the party hopes that the goodwill garnered during the Jan Lokpal movement and their association with Anna converts into votes on polling day. In New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.